What up, YouTubers? All right, just got done taking the head off. As you can see, it's right over here on a crate. Was checking the bore, but I did notice right on this cylinder here. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, right there is where a valve hit it. All right, so I got the head flipped over here just to verify. Let's see here. This is in the cylinder. This would be the valve once it's flipped over that would have made that mark, but that must have been the previous owner must have did that job. It was already RTV all over the place on this motor, so they might have snapped that chain at some point and bent a valve. It looked like those two had hit too, but not on this pass. All right, just got done cleaning up the bottom of the head here. Just use a little brush, razor blade. Some of these methods are not recommended, but this is just a DIY in my garage, so I cannot be held accountable for anything you guys try. But yeah, it looks pretty good overall. I got a little nick here on the end and a little bit of a pit right there. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna seal up with the head gasket, or pretty much I ran a straight edge over the head here to make sure it wasn't warped. And everything looks good. And we'll continue on. All right, now I cleaned the inside. Just took some degreaser, the brushes again. Nothing too harsh, just want to get it all cleaned up. Looking way better on the inside now. All right, guys, here's the inside. I got it all cleaned up for the most part. Just a little degreaser, some parts cleaner, and some elbow grease. Turned out pretty good though. Now on to the valve seals, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean up oil pan, timing chain cover. We got a repair on that. So we'll see which one's next. All right, so here goes the pickup tube. I'll insert a picture. That thing was horrible. It's like 130 bucks for a new one, so clean this up. Still got a little bit to go, but I wanted to get a clip of this before I finish cleaning it up, get distracted and forget to put it up. So and this is where we'll be making our repair. Just gonna try some good old original JB Weld 2-part and fill this in. It's just for the coolant passage, not really too much pressure, so it should work. But yeah, that's the chain rattle right there. Look at all that scarring, where it was eaten up through that. Power washer and some degreaser. It's getting there. I gotta go get some detail brushes and hook them up to the drill and clean all this other gunk out of there. Here is the crankshaft bearings. Look at all that scarring. Ooh, that's worn big time. Surprising there's no damage on the crankshaft. There's a look. Alright, so just did the first layer of JB Weld, the original. And let's see here. It's kind of hard to see in there. Yeah. First layer, I'm going to go ahead and sand it down once it dries. Add another layer. Try to build it up over that hole.